Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jain donuts at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. For the wet ingredients, have 1 cup of plant-based milk and 2 tablespoons of oil ready. Remember, Jain cooking avoids root vegetables, so we're sticking to simple, pure components for these delicious treats. Now let's get to the dough. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, and baking powder until well combined. Next, slowly pour in the plant-based milk and oil, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Transfer the dough to a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes. This develops the gluten, giving your donuts that perfect chewy texture. With your dough ready, it's time to shape those delicious donuts. Roll the dough out on a lightly floured surface to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a donut cutter or 2 different sized round cutters to create your donut shapes. Carefully drop them into oil preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry for 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown and puffed up. Almost there. While your donuts are still warm, prepare a simple glaze by whisking together 1 cup of powdered sugar with 2 to 3 tablespoons of plant-based milk until smooth. Dip each donut into the glaze, allowing the excess to drip off. Serve them immediately for the best taste and texture. They're perfect for a sweet breakfast or a delightful snack. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.